Hello, Namaste. Welcome to my channel. This is my first voiceover video. Hope you like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up so that I will know you are liking them and I will continue with this. So here I am making a simple coffee art journal page using my favorite distilled oxide from Tim Holtz. I know it's favorite of everybody. I will be using Mermaid Lagoon, Peel Paint and Vintage Photo. To start with, I have this 300 GSM watercolor paper, which is thick and textured paper, good to use colors with water. I have not covered this with gesso. I will be using directly oxide colors on it. I am smooshing the ink pad on the glass mat and watering it a little bit and placing the paper over it and drying. I will repeat this process with all the colors till I am satisfied. I will be making some splatters with the same colors. Make sure you dry them in between. I am using text stamp, creating some more textures at the background. Frankly, I don't remember where I got this from. Using rub-ons here, I have these rub-ons kept in my stash for years now. I love them. They give so much interest and a good element too. Now on another watercolor paper, I will be using coffee cup stamps. These are my favorite stamps from Tim Holtz, and that bag filled with coffee beans. And now here again I have not used gesso, but in some time you will see I will be covering it with clear gesso. The gesso always helps to hold the colors. They don't seep through. So here you can see me. I am stamping the coffee mug again, and now I am using distress ink sprays that are Mermaid Lagoon, Fossilized Amber and Vintage Photo. Now fuzzy cutting them and sticking it on my page, but after sticking it I realized I should be giving them a base so that they don't look hanging in the air. I will be using washi tape. I will be using paper dolls from Tim Holtz itself. Now these paper dolls give such a nice story to the page, and they look beautiful on the page and give it a nice focal point. Finishing the page with Faber-Castell pit brush markers, shadowing my focal point. Using all the similar colors, blue, green and brown. Guys, make sure you check out the photos at the end of this video. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well, guys. I'll give the links below in the description box. Using some sentiments to finish the page. Hope you like these kind of videos. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family too. Do subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more projects on mixed media in future. You can comment also and ask any question if you have. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Namaste.